On Insight 7, the library is where all your files go. So you can see here I'm in my library. I have a number of files here. You can upload like regular files, or you can transcribe videos directly here. There's a separate video that shows you how to transcribe. I'm going to go into an existing document that I have. I'm just using this video for tutorial purposes, but you can analyze any kind of research-based or interview-based recording in the library. Here I have my video, I have my transcript, we have speaker identification. You can rename the speakers and you can edit the transcript. You can analyze the transcript for insights using the analyze button. We provide a default set of tags which you can add to, and then pull out the insights you really like to see. We represent the insights as insight cards with color-coded tags, and you can copy the insights or view the evidence. So the exact quotes where that insight was extracted from in the data. You can also ask questions from the data. So we have some suggested questions here. We recently shipped a question and answer summary to help you see the questions and answers through the conversation. I'm running a question and answer summary on this transcript. You can see here, these are all the questions that I asked in this conversation, and these are all the answers. Under the history section is where you have the results for any question that you ask about the document. You can edit the title of your document. You can share this document directly with your team or stakeholders, and you can run some other actions. You can download the transcript, video, or the analysis output. You can add this file to a project, an existing project, and then you can also translate this file to English if it was non-English transcript, say Spanish or German, then you can delete the file as well.